hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do these tassel mirror earrings with paper. They are very light in weight and are very easy to make and also give a grand look to your outfit. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Firstly, take a buckhorn paper and glue a mirror onto it. Let it dry for some time. Now take a green stone chain and a ball chain. Glue the stone chain around the mirror. Now add the ball chain around the stone chain. I have added around 2 rounds of ball chain over here. You can make your earring bigger by adding more layers of ball chain or the stone chain. Let it dry for some time and cut it out. This is how it looks. Let's put this aside now. And to make the tassels, take a small piece of cardboard and a silk thread. Wind the silk thread around the cardboard for about 150 to 200 times. After you're done, apply some glue and cut it out. I used to glue to stick the end because it makes it easy to stay all the threads in one place. Fold it in half and apply glue and tie a knot over it with the silk thread. I would like to thank Harshini and Haritala for appreciating my previous video. Love you guys, and if you do want to get featured in my next video, all you need to do is comment down below and I will pick one of your comments in my next video. So do share your opinions below the comment section. Now take a pin and a tassel cap. Insert the pin into it and cut it out. Twist the end of the pin into a loop using a plier. Apply some Fevicol or hot glue inside it and put the tassel you have just made into it. Make sure to spread the tassel to make it look fluffy. Now start trimming the tassel to the desired length. I like it short this way. You need to make 3 of them to make this earring. They look so messed up right now, so what I did was I put them above the boiling water for a minute to make them soft and straight. You can clearly see the difference over here. Also attach a hook to the eye pin as well. If you like the video so far, do press that like button. And if you're new to my channel, I made few other mirror jewelry like silver mirror earrings, antique mirror earrings, mirror ring, and I do have lot of DIY jewelry. So do check out my channel and you will like it. You're almost done over here. All you need is to assemble all of them together. Take your earring and apply glue on the other side and stick the tassel, one in the center, the other in left and the last one in the right, this way. Also add the hook in the center. Lastly, stick another buckram paper over it and press it tightly. That's it, you're done. And now finish it off by applying some gold color nail polish or gold paint over here. And with that, your earring is ready to wear. I personally love the earring and they look so elegant and beautiful. Also, you can wear them on some white kurta and you can match it depending on your taste. And they're perfect jewelry for your Diwali. So if you like the video, please hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And press that bell icon to never miss any of my updates. Until then, meet you in my next video. Advance Happy Diwali and happy crafting!